Yo, bro.
You wanna flick up with your shit?
That's the thumbnail, bro.
Nigga ripping it too hard, mo. Nigga ripping it too hard.
Take care of your cars up. Out to the train station, bro.
Out to the warm, junkie infested train.
This is the daily, bro, but then we gonna check out the daily we bought for the daily. It's got dark ass tints. Dark ass tints. Check out the daily. Oh, that's a jack? Oh, hell yeah. Yo, I'm surprised that's not ruined. You know how much it's rained these past few days, bro? I'm genuinely surprised, bro. It's not even wet. Oh wait, there's a Husky one at Home Depot that's on sale right now. But I'm really surprised these shits is not like the boxes is still here and it's not soaking wet. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Shit, bro. Glitch. EK Civic. Good dog, bro, yeah.
It's the same size.
It's on coilovers?
Yeah.
Can't see what kind, but yeah.
I think 400 is a good deal. Or if
For sure. If the tires is good, then for sure.
I'll put on the Echo tire. I mean, it's probably a different size, right? Look.
You can just cut if
Look at this. I thought it was designed, not.
Oh, that's dry rot. Yeah, that's dry rot. Those shits is cooked, super cooked. Yeah, that ass. That's how you know the car been sitting for a really long time. Or the tires at least been sitting for a really long time.
Probably get some used tires. You think they're thicker than regular shits?
These is probably This is probably thinner than that's on the Echo. Checking out the V, bro. Cigar. Hello, Rust. Rusty. Gonna fix this, bro. Extra wheels on the inside. Got some iffy feeling headlights.
Got mad parts in the trunk.
Sturdy. Oh, you got a lip on it too. Got some fog lights. Somebody bought them. See these young boys start this thing up.
Huh? That's really shit for me.
Oh. Do it again, bro. Do it again. It don't make the ding.
It does.
Oh.
How do you?
All right, bro.
What is
You do the neutral jiggle.
What the fuck?
What?
This cable out.
Fuck that for right now. Got some rags. Alright. Got a Pioneer radio, bro. You gonna ask for more. Alright, do your neutral jiggle. Alright. Now keep the e-brake up and then turn the ignition while your foot's down to the floor. Let it prime. Yeah.
I'll let go.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Nah, you just let it off of me. Yeah. Yeah. You skunk too? Oh, that's pain, bro. That's pain, bro.
Oh, we got a race car in there, bro.
We buy this all for you, bro. It's super fire, bro. We got wheels in the back.
Then that's a crack.
Nigga got the sunroof.
Shit fake in better condition than my whole car. The panels in the line.
See the up top boss under the hood, man. See what this thing really hiding, bro. We're a sleeper of the Thursday afternoon. I know what y'all looking at, bro. Show me what I'm looking at, bro. That's a Walmart battery, bro. You said that shit don't work. That's fine, bro. Oh, God damn. Love that shit, bro. It's warmed up. But it's in the driver's seat, bro. Warmed up, bro. Nah. Shit's still cold.
This shit warm up, bro.
Not gonna violate you, bro. It's sturdy though. Shit's super sturdy, bro.
Why do you think it's smoking from there?
Oil, like a dropper just fell on that one pipe.
Shit, bro. All the way in, bro. That engine light came on, boy. Check engine light.
For real?
Yeah, boy. I'm gonna bring my scanner though. So
You
look,
got it with you?
yeah. So I brought my other one. So look, listen to this, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse.